So we're on to the next project. This is for a house renovation. So what we're doing here is a wall along here to where that guy's going up the ladder there. It's going to go up 1.4 along here, and then it's going up to 1.7 just there. We've got a lot of stone to bring down, and then we're just as well here, because it's underground, we're going to lay some block just there. So there are 2 courses to bring it up to ground level. Right, we're having a bit of trouble finding through stones for this. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put a band of mortar down the middle. That'll obviously keep it together and act as a through. We have got a couple, we've got one there, and then there's like one more we found, but there ain't going to be enough. So what we're going to do is put them on as well, but just put some mortar in just to make sure that it's going to be alright. We are obviously as well overlapping, so this stone there is overlapping that one, and then the one that will go on top of this will overlap that as well, which will provide some strength. But you know, you can't be perfect every time, and we are trying to do it neat. You know, we have got some through stones which would go on, but they're just too fat and they're just going to look a bugger. So yeah, that's the method we're going for today. Right, that section's finished now, and that's all done. We're going to come across here, put that frame, taking shape. I've drawn it on wall, and then it's going to come out 70mm here, and it's going to go down to there, and then it's going to go to the wall. So if you see that there, you can see the line. That's the line I'm going to follow down there, and then once it gets to there, it's going to touch the wall here. It's going to come up to about there, so they can put the cladding for the building behind it. That's the frame I've just built on this side, that's going to follow that one, and then we're going to build another frame probably around here that'll lift it up, and then it should S down gently into that wall there. Dry stone cladding finished. You can see there where we've cladded it to the block work, and it's the same all the way up just to this course here, and then that's about 2 inches above the course where these stones are coming, and then now we're just going to carry on just normal dry stone now. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Not bad at all. They want it. To get this swan neck in, what we've done is we've made a form. So what I'm going to do here, follow this along, so we've got the mark, and I'm going to draw that out there and there, and if you see that will run into that. So what we need to do is keep this distance at a foot all the way up, and then from there we can just build a nice little swan neck in, and then our top stones will gradually come up and over and arc over. Right, that's us finished on the big wall here. You can see the corner there, all the way down the swan neck. I'm really happy with that. I think it worked out looking really well. All the way down here, nice little wall end on it. Just there, nice and symmetrical all the way down, and the swan neck over there as well on this side. So yeah, that's us finished on there, and then the next job, do the same wall end just here.